So guys, this is a completely new method I have now newly implemented in my blog site to get more impression. Like in my previous video, I have shown you that how to get 10 impression just by clicking in one link using free Canva marketing method. So see, this is the last page I have worked and I have shown you how this work. Like when someone click on that, he will redirect into a new website which is my Adsterra direct link. So the problem is this, it is a new method and it's work 100%, but the impression, if the viewer not exist in the new tab, then the impression will not count, or the only the click is going on. But the new method, like this is the new method. See, the new impression will count definitely by pop-up window. Like if someone click on the link for Telegram channel, he must be see the ad. So this is the method. This is the new method. Every click will open a pop-up window and he must show the ad to get impression in my Adsterra account. This is very easy method. I just updated my previous prompt. That's simple. See, if someone need to close this pop-up window, he must view the ad. So this is the simple method, and this worked very nicely for your any kind of promotion, for your any kind of link, and this is completely one click setup. So now see, the impression will collect automatically in my Adsterra account. So now I am going to show you how to make this setup very easily. First you have to do a little work, like just collect your 10 direct link from your Adsterra account. This is the complete prompt. You do not need to edit anything. Just paste your 10 direct link in here. First delete my link from this and just download your Adsterra direct link from your website, and after that just copy all the code and paste it in there. So what happened, the full complete prompt is ready, and also this is a full setup, like how to make the HTML code, how it will work, the JavaScript, everything has written here. You do not need to anything change in here. Just copy this prompt and paste it in ChatGPT. So now I am going to copy the whole prompt from here and going to ChatGPT and paste it in here. It will take a little bit time to generate the full HTML code for me. After the complete of full HTML code, I just copy it from here and paste it in my Blogger site. So what I am going to do is very simple. Just after complete this, okay, just wait 2 or 3 more seconds, then it will be ready. I hope very soon. It's just take a while. Now that ready, the code is ready. Now copy it and going to Blogger and new post, and this is the game changer. I just paste it in here and need to publish it. Just confirm, and now see, the impression game is starting now. This is the game. Like anyone click on this link, he must show my impressional ad. So see, if someone click on the link, click here, then the pop-up window will appear and the impression will count. I mean, he must show the ad by this method. So this is very simple, and you don't have to do any more coding work or anything. Just a simple thing. You can use this method for any kind of promotion. Like if you want to share any other things, I just share a Canva Pro link. You can share any others, any premium plugin, any premium themes. You can use this method and you will get so many expression very easily, and it's completely very safe, and use it in your website. I hope this will help you to get more impression in your website, and don't forget to subscribe me. Thank you very much.